Alright guys, so we're here walking down the Riverwalk, San Antonio, Texas, our hometown, our home base, celebrating the end of the year. We had crazy goals, hit crazy numbers. My boy hit some numbers. Everybody back here hit numbers. These are my top producers right here, some of them. And we're gonna go eat some of the best barbecue in Texas right here downtown Pinkertons. And we're just gonna review the year, man. We're celebrating and we can't wait for what's coming next year. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let me know what y'all think about this vlog. Let me know what you think about San Antonio, Texas, and what you want to see from us moving into the New Year's, guys. Let us know in the comments below. Yes, sir. It's that Texas barbecue right there. You can't not get big red. If you know, you know.
That shit busting.
What y'all think about this? This what?
Busting.
It's not yee.
It's fire.
What do you think, Seth?
Fire.
I got Seth today because he's just a baller. And I'm the cameraman, recording the cameraman. How's that? End of the year celebrations. Let's get it. All right, guys. So Austin's trying to holler at some girl in real estate. She got a big butt. And
We have faith.
Seth has seen her before with a sugar daddy. And what do y'all think he should do?
I think he should open his heart and find true love.
Difference of opinion. I like that.
Two ends of the spectrum. Okay.
All right, guys. So we're here at downtown Riverwalk, San Antonio. Such a lovely place. What do y'all think about this?
Fantastic.
Looks beautiful.
Some people say it's ugly. I think it's beautiful. We got tourists every day. As you can see, we got a boat coming. We're gonna go do a tour right now. So anyway, it's pretty cool. So I'm sitting with my top JV acquisition agent right here, Seth Garibay, aka Mr. On to the next one. And I got my top Dispo Dave, aka David Hernandez. David Lee, aka David Lee, the guarantee.
AKA.
And so we're just out here celebrating the end of the year. And you know, we had a great run this year. And we're just getting started. Seth, how long have you been here for?
A little over a year and a month.
He's been here for a little over a year. And his numbers are incredible. And we're just getting started. Next year he's gonna double it up. David was my first hire, hailing from
Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas. It was crazy. So like everything that we said we were gonna do, we're like living in it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. It's hard to believe at first, but it's all happening before my eyes.
Yeah. He was there since day one. We had big dreams. And you know, it's cool because like he was with me from day one, right? And I said this was gonna be happening. And we've set some big goals. We've checked them off. So now it's time to set bigger goals. And so that's where we're at now. So y'all are here, Seth, David, Austin, you know, Albert, and you're gonna see our new goals here documented on camera. So next year, everybody's scared of real estate, everybody's scared of where it's going. And I feel like this is like a little Yeezy moment right here, but we're not scared. Everybody in our office has faith, and we're still pumping deals every single week, and our numbers ain't too shabby compared to what we're hearing about everybody else. So next year we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go into different markets, and we're gonna get a new office, and everybody's gonna level up. It's gonna be a wild ride to see. The parking lot at Clutch Investment Group is gonna be sick. Austin says he's gonna pull up in the Porsche or the Hellcat or the Vet. Which one? One of them? Well, which one?
Maybe both.
If you could pick one.
Probably get the Hellcat.
Okay. I might give you mine, dog. Cap.
Yeah.
We call him Sir Cap a lot here. Austin. Sir Cap a lot. Austin Kaepernick. But anyways, what y'all think about this year?
Good year, man. Good learning year. Accomplished a lot of goals, but definitely setting a bar to crush those goals next year.
Right. Alright, let's check it out. This is one of the property package deals that Jerry got and Aldo. There was 30, but now they're saying there's 50. And then I even heard there's 100 houses, so let's check it out. Nice layout. I like the layout. The layout is good. Okay, the washer and dryer are gonna have to be moved. This is not where a washer and dryer goes. We can move that. A little 2-bedroom. They're good sizes. What do you think, Albert?
Damn, this door is narrow.
I guess to open the other way. What do you think about the size of the rooms?
The size of the rooms look nice, yeah.
They
The
look nice.
ceilings are kind of high, or is it just me?
Yeah. It's a nice little house, right?
Yeah.
How much work do you think this
It has
thing
potential.
There's a lot of windows. I've never been to the backyard here. Trying to look for the fuse box.
Sorry,
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here it is. Okay, we got some panels. Yeah, not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's a lot of windows in this house. 12, 13. Sheesh. So that's going to be about 1,300, 2,600 to replace all the windows. I would say there's about 3 to 5K in leveling. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. You need some new cabinetry. You need some new floors. I'll probably be all in this house. I think we're getting it for 75. If I was to flip it, we'd be all in it. Well, we're gonna try to wholesale it first, but we haven't got too much interest. So like worst case scenario, if we flip it, that'd be 75, 95, 100. We'll probably be all in at 110. Probably get 150 for this house. What do y'all think, guys? Did y'all buy this house? Did y'all work on this house? I like it. It's a nice little house. What do you think, Albert?
Yeah.
Like the layout is decent.
Yeah.
Right?
A lot better than what I've seen.
Yeah. The exterior is not bad. Power wash it, sand it down. Not bad at all. What do you think?
A little small, but not bad.
A little small backyard.
Yeah.
Got some little neighbors. Got some little neighbors out here. Ideally, I would want this like 75 is high. Ideally, I would want this probably like at 67, 65. This doesn't work. All right, so the thing is, we're right now, guys. It's cold outside, and it's like 30 degrees in San Antonio. We're not used to it. So when it gets cold like this in San Antonio, it pretty much shuts down the city. We are not used to this. Everybody goes inside like little snails. Like we're in the warmth. So we released this one. We haven't got much action on it. So worst case scenario, I do need a flip, so I could buy it. I would like it cheaper, by about 10K, but I'm thinking it'll be all right. It'll be decent. And it's an easy project. All right, guys, so this is the last vlog before Christmas. So if you're watching this, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you get everything you want and more, and you're blessed and you're highly favored. See you in the next one. Stay clutch.